Mommy, can't my watching Mecha Builders?
Okay.
Caillou watching Mecha Builders. Rosie, what are you doing here? What are you, Skylar and Rosie?
I will destroying MNC Vision.
Oh my gosh. It's Crash TV. Rosie, where are you?
Mommy, yes, with Caillou. Please don't again. Please, please, please. We did. Oh. Rosie, how dare you destroy Caillou's new TV one? It costed $500. That's it. You are grounded for 9,000 years. Go to bed now. Wah. It's okay, Caillou. Let's builders.
Builders TV with Doris and Caillou. Yeah.
Let's watching TV 2023 intro Mecha Builders today.
The end.